Hello everyone. Now in this session we will discuss about sample paper set 3 of question 26 to 30. Now let's begin. And the question 26 is a student is observing a diagram showing the path of a ray of light passing through a glass prism. He would find that for all angle of incidence the ray of light bent. So they are given 4 optional and the answer is, firstly you understand that when the ray of light is enters air to glass, it means rare medium to denser medium, and the ray of light is come back from glass to air, so it's a denser medium to rare medium. So it's a basic concept. Write these things. And when a ray of light enters the glass prism, it travels the rare medium to denser medium, means air to glass. So the ray of light bend toward the normal. So if the lines goes to rare medium to denser medium, the ray of light bend towards the normal. When the ray of light emerges the glass prism, it travels from denser medium to rare medium, glass to air. So the ray of light bends away from the normal. Hence there is match only option A, towards the normal while entering the prism and away from normal while emerging from the prism. Next is question 27. A student was asked by his teacher to find the image distance from various object distance in case of given convex lens. He performed that experiment with all precautions and noted down his observation in the following table. So in this question the following experiment is given. So we put the objects in different distances and we find the image in different distances in centimeters. So the answer is, so we perform all experiments and for third option you find from the formula from the focal length come out be 13.26 centimeter, whereas the focal length of others observed is 12 centimeter. So there is a difference. So option 3 is correct. So question 28. We need 20% aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide from the student study of suffocation reaction. When weapon the lid of the bottle containing solid sodium hydroxide, we observed it is which form. So it's basically question is suffocation reaction is an important reaction from class 12 10th and the answer is sodium hydroxide is generally available in the form of white pellet or flakes. Generally, sodium hydroxide is a highly hygroscopic in nature. Hence, it is preventive for moisture. It is readily reactive with the moisture, so it prevent by the hydroscopic nature. So its answer is white flakes and flakes. Its answer. So question 29. Rupert took a liquid A in a test tube and added sodium hydroxide solution in it. The mixture was stirred for some time. Glyceride and solid B are formed after the reaction. So it's a common question. It's a naming reaction. Only the taking a reaction of oil and sodium hydroxide to give the sodium salt of soap and glyceride. They are separate mixture, not a soluble mixture. So the reaction mentioned that the suffocation reaction involves formation of soap. It's a basic reaction of soap. When oil is treated with sodium hydroxide, it gives a sodium soap and glyceride. So A is liquid, oil, and B is solid soap. So they are not miscible. They are always separable. Upper part is oil and below part is soap. So and the question 30. Rupal form of suffocation reaction in the chemistry laboratory. She take vegetable oil and alcohol and heats it. Soap is started precipitating, but it does not precipitate completely. The solution she forgot add is. So the basic reaction, suffocation reaction also. So we add from solid chloride, which always facilitate the PPT of soap. Sodium chloride, which facilitate only the PPT. Not a PPT is always formed in the soap. So we add the vegetable oil and alkyl with an heat. We get the if we the solution forget acid. If we forgot acid to add this, so the PPT is formed of soap.